Surely what might be an incredible sight and a discovery of me figuring out if this thing is alive or if it's really just a spy bird. It has not moved at all. Are there eggs underneath it? Like, legit, that's weird as fuck. Like, it has not moved. It has not made a word. Sorry, it's a little shaky. I mean, I don't even see if it's breathing. Did its head just move up? Is it recording me? What the fuck is going on? I swear I can almost see my recording in his eyes. I gotta go into like a snapping pictures. Look at that. Its eyes are snapping pictures. Legit. Look at that. I can see the camera reflection in the bird eyes, if it is a bird. See that shit? Keeps flickering in his eye. I'm looking right in his eye. Just took another picture. Are y'all seeing that shit? Watch. Another picture. Another picture. Another picture. Another one. Look at his eye. He's tweaking. You see that flash in his eye? I don't know if birds move their eyes, but like that thing ain't moved. Just his eye snapping pictures. And he's hooked up to an electric box. Wired up for sound. It's a motherfucking spy if I ain't never seen one in my life. Fucking. I should take this bird out, but I'll probably get charged with like taking out like a fucking part of a law enforcement or something. I'll probably go away for life if I clip this fucking this rat. No, I'm just kidding. Where am I? But legit, it's not moving and it's taking pictures. Alright. I'll lock back in on its eyes. I'm coming back at y'all with another one of this.